Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 8V after facelift with MIB2 High infotainment system, and I'm going to show you how to enter the hidden red menu. So the control panel looks like this, and we want to push this switch forward and pull this switch backwards. Keep them in this position and wait for the hidden red menu to appear on the display. So after 3 seconds, we have the red engineering menu, the red menu, and over here we have update, system information, settings, and version information. In version information we can confirm that this is in fact MIB2 High system for Europe and rest of the world for Audi A3, and this is the firmware version and my unit application version. So let's go back, and in system we have license codes, and over here we can confirm which codes are installed, which features are legal in the system. So let's go back, and over here we can trigger the firmware update by choosing the source, SD1, SD2 or USB drive. To exit this menu, well, you cannot go back, you are still in the red menu, so you need to do the same thing. Push this one forward, pull this one backwards, keep it in this position for about 3 seconds, and you will be back in normal operation mode. That's it.